Echoes of Eternity. Humanity's epic journey to the edge of the universe and beyond. Hey there, friends. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Beyond the twinkling stars and the glowing moon. What's at the very edge of the universe? Today, we're embarking on an epic journey together, tracing humanity's steps as we've reached out to touch the cosmos. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Ancient eyes upon the skies. Let's rewind the clock, way back before smartphones and telescopes. Imagine being one of the first humans gazing up, with nothing but your eyes and endless curiosity. Our ancestors were the Stargazers, Sumerians and Babylonians. These guys were some of the first to keep records of the stars. They made early star charts, basically the first cosmic maps. They noticed patterns, tracked planetary movements, and laid the groundwork for astronomy. Egyptians. Ever wondered why the pyramids are so precisely aligned? It's because the Egyptians were astronomical geniuses. They aligned the pyramids with celestial bodies and used the stars to create agricultural calendars. Nile flooding predictions? All thanks to the stars. Mayans. Over in the Americas, the Mayans had a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos. Their calendars could predict celestial events with incredible accuracy. The El Castillo Pyramid? It's built so that on the equinoxes, it creates a shadow that looks like a serpent slithering down the steps. Mind-blowing, right? And let's not forget how mythology and cosmology were intertwined. Constellations became the heroes and legends in stories passed down through generations. The stars were like a giant canvas for human imagination. The foundations of astronomy. Fast forward to the classical era, time to meet some heavy hitters. Aristotle and the geocentric model. Aristotle believed that Earth was the center of the universe. Everything else, the sun, the planets, the stars, revolved around us in perfect circles. It kinda made sense back then. Ptolemy Almagest. Ptolemy took Aristotle's ideas and added some math magic. He introduced epicycles, think circles within circles, to explain why planets sometimes appear to move backward, retrograde motion. It was a pretty clever workaround. Astronomical tools like the astrolabe and the armillary sphere were developed during this time. These devices helped early astronomers measure the positions of stars and navigate the seas. Talk about innovation. 3. Revolution in the heavens. Cue the dramatic music. It's time for a cosmic shake-up. Nicolaus Copernicus. This brave soul proposed the heliocentric model, that the sun, not the earth, is at the center of the universe. It was a revolutionary idea that flipped centuries of belief on its head. Galileo Galilei. Then comes Galileo, the guy who pointed a telescope at the sky and forever changed the game. He observed moons orbiting Jupiter and the phases of Venus, providing solid evidence for the heliocentric model. Of course, this didn't sit well with everyone, especially the church. Let's just say Galileo had some heated discussions. Johannes Kepler. Kepler refined things further with his laws of planetary motion. He discovered that planets move in ellipses, not perfect circles. This was huge. It explained planetary motions more accurately. Isaac Newton. And finally, Newton tied it all together with his law of universal gravitation. Gravity wasn't just a force that made apples fall. It was the cosmic glue holding everything together. Discovering new worlds. With the foundations laid, it was time to explore further. William Herschel. In 1781, Herschel discovered Uranus, the first planet found with a telescope. This expanded our solar system beyond the known classical planets. Imagine the excitement of finding a new world. Edwin Hubble. Jumping to the 20th century, Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from us. The universe is expanding. His work on the redshift of galaxies showed that not only is the universe bigger than we thought, but it's also getting bigger every second. Albert Einstein. Einstein's theory of general relativity introduced the mind-bending concept that massive objects warp the fabric of space-time. Black holes? Gravitational waves? All predicted by this genius. The space age begins. Now things get really exciting. We're heading into space. The space race. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik I, the first artificial satellite. Beep beep beep. The sound that ignited a global desire to reach for the stars. Yuri Gagarin. In 1961, Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth. Poikali. He exclaimed at launch, meaning, let's go. And go we did. Apollo program. 1969 marked a giant leap as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Gives me chills every time. Unmanned missions like Mariner, Pioneer, and Voyager gave us close-up looks at other planets. Voyager 1 even entered interstellar space, carrying the golden record, a message for any extraterrestrial life that might find it. How cool is that? Peering deeper into the cosmos. Our thirst for knowledge led us to build eyes in the sky. Hubble Space Telescope. Deployed in 1990, Hubble gave us stunning images of the universe. Its deep field image revealed thousands of galaxies in a patch of sky that looks empty to the naked eye. Talk about perspective. James Webb Space Telescope. Just recently, the JWST launched, promising to look even further back in time to the first galaxies formed after the Big Bang. It's like having a time machine. Advancements in technology like radio astronomy led to the discovery of pulsars, neutron stars emitting beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. Mapping the cosmic microwave background radiation with missions like COBE and WMAP helped us understand what the universe looked like just after the Big Bang. It's like seeing baby pictures of the cosmos. Unveiling the universe's mysteries. But the more we learn, the more mysterious things get. Dark matter and dark energy. Observations showed galaxies rotating in ways that shouldn't be possible with the visible matter alone. Enter dark matter, the invisible stuff making up about 27% of the universe. And dark energy? It's the mysterious force causing the universe's expansion to accelerate, making up about 68%. That's 95% of the universe we can't see. Black holes. In 2019, we got the first ever image of a black hole, thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope. This shadowy donut-shaped image confirmed theories and opened up new questions about these cosmic beasts. Gravitational waves. In 2015, LIGO detected ripples in spacetime caused by colliding black holes. It's like hearing the universe for the first time. 8. Searching for life beyond Earth. Are we alone? Let's find out. Mars exploration. Rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have been roaming the Martian surface. They've found evidence of past water flow and organic molecules. Could there have been life on Mars? The plot thickens. Icy moons and ocean worlds. Europa, Jupiter's moon, and Enceladus, Saturn's moon, have subsurface oceans beneath their icy crusts. They've got water, energy sources, and organic compounds, the ingredients for life. Exoplanets and the habitable zone. Missions like Kepler and TESS have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of them are in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. SETI. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is ongoing. We're listening for signals and even sending messages into space, hoping someone, or something, will answer back. Humanity's future among the stars. Looking ahead, what does the future hold? Commercial spaceflight. SpaceX. Elon Musk's company is making reusable rockets a reality. The Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy have already made numerous flights, and the Starship aims to take humans to Mars. Mars colonization? It's on the table.